Alright guys, now what you're looking at is basically Google, and what you see here are natural search listings, and what you see here right here are paid ads. Now, for a lot of marketers, the first thing they tend to do is, well, get involved in a company, buy into the company's marketing system. It could range from $19.99 to as high as $49.99 a month, and so now you have a marketing system that will allow you to go ahead and capture leads. So what is the second step? Well, you go ahead and you register a domain name, financialfreedom.com or whatever domain name you want, and you go ahead and you take that domain name and you forward it to your lead capture system, your online marketing system. Now I'm going to show you a great example of this. So we're looking at the ads here. We see nothing but natural search listings here, but let's pay attention to this here. And what I want to click on is paytoretire.com. Let's pause this video here. So we have paytoretire.com, and it's using a lead capture page or a lead capture system. It's got a cool video, and so everything looks great. I mean, it looks fine. There's a couple of problems here though, and the biggest problem is if we right click and look at the page source. Basically, this is the HTML code on this site. You will see that paytoretire.com is actually a redirect to http www.124marketingsystem.com. Okay, and to prove that, we're actually going to go ahead and follow this link, and we're going to go here, and what do you know? We're on the same page, but we're actually on the source page. Okay, and if we go ahead and right click this source page here, let's go ahead and view the source on the site here. Now we get the actual content of the page. Okay, so this is the actual page. Pay to retire
simply forwarding to
124marketingsystem.com/capture/LACO. Okay, and so what I'm showing you is that now we have a big problem, a very, very, very big problem, in that while we're taking a domain name, we're forwarding it to a lead capture system. The lead capture system holds all the source code, but the lead capture system is also a replicated site. Okay, so not only is LACO using this lead capture page, but whoever else is using the system is also using this lead capture page. Now what I want to do is actually go to Google and show you how this is actually a no-no. So this is Google AdWords Advertising Policy Center, and what we see here is framing or copying websites. And what you just saw is exactly that. They were framing a website through a domain forward and then copying the website through a replicated site. So we got this here. Google AdWords doesn't allow ads for websites that copy the content of other websites using techniques known as mirroring and framing. Mirroring refers to making multiple copies of the same websites across different servers or domains. It could also refer to making a website that returns the same exact search results as another site. Framing refers to the use of HTML frame sets to display the information from one website within another. Alright, Google doesn't allow advertising for sites that do the following: offer no additional value or content beyond what's provided by the page they are copying. Or offer identical content across templated sites. There you go. Boom! That is your replicated marketing system, guys. So, you're going to go ahead and go on Google like this guy just did, and what's going to happen is in the next couple of days, his website's going to get slapped. Google's going to knock his website off their advertising network. Why? Because it's against the terms of service. Now, this individual is not going to know any better. He's going to wonder, wait a minute, I was doing fine. I was generating leads. I was building business, and then boom, Google knocks me off. And so then what happens? Well, this user then has this whole concept of Google and how it doesn't like multi-level marketers or, network marketing. The truth is Google doesn't have a problem with our industry. Google has a problem with how associates conduct their business and how they go ahead and saturate their networks with templated sites. This is a no-no. And so PaidToRetire.com, well, over the next couple of days it'll do well. Eventually Google will knock them off. And so now what we have is we're able to see, if we go back, that there are not too many, let's see here. We have Wells Fargo here. We don't have many other replicated sites on Google's network here. And that's actually a good thing. So basically, anyways, let's sum this up, guys. If you want to market effectively, you do not use replicated sites on Google's network. Even more importantly, replicated websites will never get you here. Never get you on the left side. And what that means is you will constantly, always, nearly pay for traffic, whether it's banner advertising or using Yahoo networks or MSN networks or any other network up until they ban you. You will never get on the natural search results. And the reason for that is, well, Google will not rank you naturally for replicated websites either. And, that kind of sucks, guys, because ranking naturally means you're getting free traffic to your website. Free traffic meaning you don't pay for it, meaning you don't pay for leads. You're not really spending marketing money outside of search engine optimization. Again, free traffic, free leads. You're building your business, you're making money, and you're definitely saving a lot of money, and you're saving yourself a lot of headaches. So this is the right way of doing it, guys. You go ahead, get into a business, you build a unique lead capture system, your own. Either get on Google AdWords or start optimizing it. As long as it's as long as it's not a replicated website, you should be A-okay. So I hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you have any questions, go ahead and give me a ring. Thank you.